Hello friends, it's August 6th. I will give you my August update of my garden. We had so many fruits this year. These are my eggplants, how well they're doing. After each flower there will be an eggplant coming out. Here already ate and gave it to friends. A lot of them. Look how my peppers have grown. It's so tall. Look at how many in each plant. With my crunchy peppers. There's so many. Yeah, perilla leaves or sesame leaves grown very tall. More peppers. Peppers. Crunch peppers here. Yeah, about like 6 feet tall now. Some squash. I have to remove around 3 or 4 today. They're already very big. Look how many. There's so many. My tomatoes. So many tomatoes. Look how tall. It's about like 12 feet tall. I will have to cut off the head so that it keeps growing. Gosh. A long squash. One hiding inside there. Pick them, check it out today. So the squash. New squash coming out. I'm getting so many. And one over there too. Two. That one coming out here. More eggplants. But all the cucumbers. Tiny ones coming. Look how many cucumbers we had. All this. So many cucumbers. These are my twisted peppers or shishito peppers. There's more eggplants. The small ones coming right after the flower. tomatoes here. I usually remove the tomatoes when they're about like kind of orange before it gets red, because I've seen that the birds or some animals are eating them when they get red. So I remove them and then leave them in the kitchen in a cup or on a dish, and it will get red. Because the tomatoes already have enough nutrients and chemicals to make them red, even if they're off the plant. How many? You already ate all of them. Here too. Eat. Eat already. So many. Yep. It has overgrown. More shishito peppers. Call them twisted peppers. Lettuce. I grew more lettuce here. Look how all the tomato grew, but all the tomatoes coming out. Okay, I'll update again in September. I hope your plants are doing well too. Mine have been doing very well. And also the spotted lanternflies. At the beginning I've been seeing about one or two a day. Then they started to get they spread. Sometimes I'll see 10 a day. I've been killing them with the neem oil combination with the dish soap that I showed on my last video. And right now I'm only seeing maybe 1 or 2 a week. So yes, that's why my plants are doing so well. Okay, I'll see you soon. Look at all the fruits that I took out today. We've been giving most of these fruits to a friend of my wife. Well, actually, she's not a friend. She owns a clothing boutique where my wife sometimes goes. And about a month ago, she mentioned that she will be out of the work because she's going for a cancer surgery. So since a month ago, we've been giving most of our fruits to her so that she will eat healthy. And she says she uses the cucumbers for smoothies, and she also eats them raw. The squash she stir fries or uses in the soup. And she even eats the eggplants raw. I don't know if that's okay, but she looks a lot healthy. And she says she's eating healthy and exercising because she wants to be healthy and strong before the surgery. So we'll be giving all this to her so that she could eat them for a few days before she goes into surgery. And also, if you see all these leaves, I removed all these leaves yesterday and today. I removed all the unnecessary leaves because otherwise you will take nutrients from the plants, and also you can cause disease because there are too many leaves. Usually I throw this garbage can full once a week. That's how many leaves I remove. And you should too. just remove all the leaves that are unnecessary to the plant. Okay.